What's up guys, it's Jazzy here, and today I'm going to be making another quick and easy Christmas DIY with supplies from Dollar Tree. First, I'm going to be wrapping my ribbon around my glass vase. Now I'm going to put a little bit of a gold accent on top of my ribbon. I'm going to be doing 2 of these, and right now I'm working on my second one. I'm going to be using these mini pine picks and these large berries to make this, and I'm going to glue it onto the front of my vase. Now we're going to fill our vase up with these beads. I love the way this is looking. Now let's put it onto our plate. Now for the final touch, our candles. All done. Doesn't it look so good? This is a really good one. I love this. Well guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and remember to always stay tuned to this channel. Jazzy the Great, period.